I'm recording audio. Can't even see anything now.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna bust the window.
Why don't you go back out there and look? It's not gonna bust the window.
Why?
Well, that's true, it might.
It's like
Oh no.
nickels. What?
Hope it doesn't bust on cars. Oh, jeez. That was scary.
Oh my gosh. Okay,
Whoa,
I'm moving it
yeah.
out. Oh my god. Not. Oh my gosh, look! Wait!
What?
It's a golf
Oh my
ball.
god.
Oh my god, it's so big! That's what she said.
This is on video. I hope you know.
Oh my gosh, it's so big. That's totally gonna up our cars.
I'm sending this to
No,
the news.
No, you can't show that to your mom.
Oh, I'm putting this on YouTube.
Oh my gosh, I feel sorry for all the little animals outside in the hail.
Are those people jogging? I'm sure they're probably in by now.
Oh my gosh.
That's big.
Some of them are really big. Some of them are little.
Yeah, they look like golf balls.
I'm glad that man told us while we were walking. We had no clue.
Yeah. Yeah, those are gonna break something.
I know.
In a matter of time.
Oh, wow.
Excuse me, camp.
I want to go get one. But not right now.
Sorry, car. How much I can do. Oh, goodness.
Isn't it crazy that stuff's coming out of the sky? Oh man, your car.
Yeah, yours too. It seems to be dying down though.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Dare me to go get one?
No, I don't want you to go out there.
Those people across the street, it's like, welcome to your new home. Have fun buying
Yeah.
your new roof.
Oh, big one just hit your car.
Can I tell you a secret? My car has a bunch of hail damage anyway. I can totally get it fixed.
Not if I put this video on YouTube.
And edit.
Oh man.
Oh man, those people are just watching their cars.
This is intense.
Oh.
It's gonna get you. Maybe we should stand farther away from... Oh my goodness. It's hard not to watch. The west side is taking a pounding. I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna shut this off.